Guys, so I'm back with my final review for today, and this one is by Bobbi Boss as well. This is one of their soft layered curls, and she's called MLF435 ANISA. I have her in the color number 2. Now guys, there's a lot to say about this, okay? Because first of all, looking at the stock card, it looks beautiful. Love it. Hopefully you guys can see this properly. I think it's kind of blurry, but anyway, this is what it looks like. Of course, it comes in other colors. I'll make sure to leave all that in the description box down below so you can check it out, and I'll leave a link so you guys can go purchase as well. But let's get straight into it. So first of all, let's talk about the construction, and then we'll get into the rest of the wig because we got to talk about it. All right, so the construction, you get 2 combs up front, 1 at the back, the adjustable straps, and you have a stretchable mesh net material cap, which is really comfortable. And you have, it's a MediFresh cap, the antibacterial MediFresh safe clean cap. That's the cap. Okay, now let's get into the top construction. Okay, so first of all, you have a 4-inch deep lace parting space. The parting space is okay. You can pull it off like this because I did not do anything to it except I had the powder to it. But I would suggest, if you were to purchase this and you know you're gonna wear it out, take the time, sit there and pre-pluck it a little bit more because it's not that great straight out the box. So pre-pluck it a little bit more, it'll go a long way. And I mean, you just have to pre-pluck it once, right? You don't have to do it every single time you wear the wig. So sit there, take the time, pre-pluck it, and you will be fine. Now the baby hair is very thick, okay, very thick. Now I did lay it down a little bit here, and that's because I thought it would have been a little bit hard to blend it into the rest of the wig without using it, because the hair is curly. I tried not to use too much heat to it. I did use the heat, but I just pressed on it here just so the parting space can open up a little bit, but not so much. I didn't want to add too much heat up top to straighten this part. You know, I just wanted to leave it curly the way it came straight out of the box. Now, like I said, the baby hairs are super thick. I would suggest you tweezing it down a little bit. Like I said, put the work in and tweeze the baby hairs. I mean, well, tweeze apart, pre-plug the baby hairs, and I think that would make everything a little bit better. Now the hair itself, I never thought that I would ever say this, but it seems like there's too much hair. And I'm not talking about volume because of course it's not that thick, it's not that big, but when I say too much hair, I mean like the parting space, the hairline, the baby hairs, everything. It just seems like it's too much. So it seems like you have to go in and do a lot of work to it, and I really was expecting a little bit better from this collection. Well, I don't know why, but I know normally with the Bobbi Boss hairs, they're pretty good, so I was kind of expecting it to be like that. Maybe it's just this one, who knows. I have another one tomorrow. I think it's the same collection. If it is, we'll see how it looks, if it's the same or whatever. But apart from that, I think the style is pretty good. I use my Anti-Frizz oil, which I will link in the description box down below. I use that to finger comb the hair, and it's pretty good. The curls stayed in place, which is surprising. It didn't grow on me or anything like that, and it's very soft, just like it says, soft layered curls. It is pretty soft, so I love that. It's a nice soft texture. So yeah, everything else about this is pretty good. The only thing, like I said, is the thick baby hairs, hairline, and parting space that you would have to go in and customize. So it's easily taken care of once you just, you know, customize your wig, okay? But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any more questions, well, any questions at all, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to answer you guys as soon as possible. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes, and I'll definitely see you guys soon. Bye.